Guys, something very sad happened yesterday. Our OG laptop died. Nate, our tint manager, called me and said,
hey, we have to get a new laptop.
So this computer that I hold in my hand holds a lot of value for us. For those of you that don't know my story, I started this business in 2011 with about $200 to my name. And I started with window tint only, and then we grew from there. And today we've got 4 locations, we've got about 30 employees, and we're expanding across the US. This laptop was instrumental in making that happen. It got me thinking, how much money has this laptop helped me make? And I wanted to share it with you guys just because I think it's kind of a cool story. So this was about a $200 laptop. I remember buying it, and I remember connecting it to this machine was our original plotter. So this thing cuts window tint for us. It connects to this laptop. There are softwares that we use to send that information to the plotter and cut a window basically for your car. Now at first, I was too poor to afford this machine or this laptop, so I did everything by hand, but it was sort of revolutionary for us when we bought the machine and the laptop in like 2012 or 2013. So I decided to look back and see how much money has this thing brought us. I had to bring out another computer to make that happen. This was our original front desk computer. Believe it or not, it still lives. We haven't pulled it out of the shelf for probably 6 years, but I wanted to check some old data on that, and we ran it against some of our new data, and what we found is that this particular computer has brought in over $3 million. Just in window tint, just in LATROBE. Over 17,000 cars have been tinted as a result of this laptop. So we want to thank our customers for bringing us those 17,000 vehicles. We want to thank HP for building a laptop that was capable of doing that for as long as they have. It's just pretty cool that this is one of the original pieces of equipment. I think I financed this thing on a credit card because that's how I did everything at the beginning, and I wanted to share that story with you guys.